When you purchase a Kyocera printer, you need to activate it with a special code. You always get the fastest possible version of the copier, which is the 60 prints per minute model. If you paid for a 40, then an activation code will not be needed because the machine is factory limited to 40 prints per minute and is called a Kyocera 4054 or UTAX 4008. If you paid for 50, then the activation code will slow the machine down to that printing speed. In the box with the copier, there are 3 stickers with different machine models, and during installation, you have to choose the right one for you. There are no toners in the box with the copier, because the factory does not know what printer model it will ultimately be. In our video, we will launch a UTAX photocopier, which together with Olivetti and Triumph Adler, forms the Kyocera product group. From a marketing perspective, the manufacturer is not making a mistake, because they are maintaining the narrative that you have a 40 in the box that you can speed up to 50 or 60 prints per minute. But is that true? Write in the comments what you think about it. We would like to thank Mr. Rabiega from Conti for the invitation to jointly install the copiers and exchange valuable experiences in their use and functionality. I kindly invite you to watch the rest of the video, in which we will present the full process of installing the photocopier, and we will show you how to use the activation code that allows you to transform the UTAX 4008 model into the 5008 version. Immediately after the first startup, the photocopier will ask if it is to be used as a lower model. Do you have a model upgrade license key? Our client decided to order a copier with a speed of 50 copies per minute. Therefore, we enter the activation code received from the manufacturer, after which the device will be updated and will start functioning as a UTAX 5008 model. After automatic restart, the copier became a device with a speed of 50 copies per minute. We skip the network functions and go to print the report. Of course, printing will be possible after installing toners, which for some unexplained reason are different for the 40 and 50 ink cartridges. It is possible to change the language in service mode. First select Swedish, only then will the Polish language option appear. Interesting concept. After restarting the copier, the Polish language will appear in the operator panel and is ready for use. I would like to thank Conti, and especially Mr. Jack Rabiega, for the joint implementation of this project. My regards to the client, who agreed to the presence of our cameras and the small commotion accompanying the creation of this material. If for some reason you need to remove the toners, remember that they are protected and will not open until they are exhausted. Theoretically, can the copier be sped up with a license key? Or is it just removing limitations installed by the manufacturer? What do you think?